do videos of myself to see what's changed. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, since hindi nagfa-follow yung left, hindi nagpa-follow itong right ko sa left eyebrows ko, so what we do is to help the right eyebrows go up like this. Four, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then yung pagkaganyan, no, yung kunwari galit, hindi din siya nag-follow si eyebrow.